Understanding oven grill, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common English phrase that can be a bit confusing for language learners. Oven grill. What does it mean? When do we use it? By the end of this video, you'll be using it like a native speaker. The term oven grill refers to a cooking appliance or a feature within an oven. An oven is a kitchen device that you can use to bake, roast, and sometimes broil food. The grill part is a function that uses direct heat from above to cook food, often leading to a crispy, golden exterior. Imagine the top of your oven having a special heater that works like the sun, beaming down on your food. When someone says they're going to use the oven grill, they mean they're going to cook their food using this top-down heat. It's perfect for toasting, browning, or giving your cheese-topped dishes a deliciously melted finish. Just remember, when you're grilling in an oven, you're cooking with heat from above. Let's put oven grill into some sentences. I'll put the garlic bread under the oven grill for a minute to get it nice and crispy. Can you turn on the oven grill? I want to melt the cheese on these nachos. There you have it. The oven grill is a handy feature found in many ovens, and it's all about cooking with heat from above. We hope this video has shed some light on the topic, and you feel more comfortable using this phrase. Happy cooking and happy learning!